Perfect. So, hello everyone. This is Bhavya Gupta from the team of DK Pageant, and I would like everyone to stay on mute, and I want all of you to start your video so I can see your beautiful faces. Okay. So here we are introducing Dr. Gaurav Matpal, your mentor for today. So welcome, Dr. Gaurav.
Thank you, Bhavya. Thank you very much. I
Yeah.
would like to wish all you all the best and the congratulations to get selected by the DK Pageants. And today we are here to mentor about the smile and the overall thing, what we want to carry when we walk over the pageant.
Yeah, so I would just like to tell, I would just like to have some light on your achievements and what all you have done so that our participants know you well.
Okay.
So, Dr. Gaurav is a prosthodontist and implantologist practicing advanced and affordable dentistry since more than a decade in Delhi NCR. Dr. Matpal has been selected as the best young delegate in Best Diplomatic Conference held in Turkey. And Doctor is a part of IIT Delhi Innovation and Research and is an IIT Delhi alumni. Hunger to learn made Dr. Matpal pursuing his PhD in the field of TMDs and reconstruction with PSI from prestigious Kennedy University, USA. Dr. Matpal, a prosthodontist, a philosopher, a stand-up performer, speaker, mentor, and the list goes on.
Thank you
So I'm
very much.
just passing over the stage to Dr. Matpal. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And I welcome all the delegates, all the pageants on this workshop where we're going to talk about lots and lot about the smile, about the how you should smile at what particular area, and we'll talk about your skin tone, about your how you can make your skin more bright, and what is the effect of your hairs into this pageant industry. So I have made a very small PPT so that we can what we are talking, we'll just go through with it. Thank you very much. So are we ready for it?
Yes, I guess we are.
Yeah. Okay. So the power of smile in pageant industry. When we talk about smile, smile has lots and lot of other things to talk about, which very few people knows about it. I'm into this practice from last more than a decade, making this world beautiful. And I would like to help you out. And I today I wish I'll be have some help to you in your pageant life. So let's start with the first slide. What about the introduction about this? See, the smile is a consistent, strongest non-verbal communication tool. Are we uh, connecting to this line? Smile. In pageant, a smile isn't just about the beauty, it's about authenticity, approachability, and stage presence. So, smile is so important for us, and not about the pageant industry, but for our day-to-day life also. So, smile is one of the most important things which we see when we meet somebody. So, there are basically two basic components of what we call out the principle of smile designing. So, this is what we call the facial component, and we divide the face into three parts. And then we talk about the sagittal section of the face, which is divided into the five parts. So these are some things which are psychologically as well as physiologically connecting. So that when we see somebody, we see these type of the things usually in our thing. So now you have seen these two photographs. Now you just evaluate whenever you're meeting somebody, and you'll be focusing on those points priorly also, but you didn't know about it. What are the facial components and what are the other components? So when we talk about the smile, we have the most important thing into smile is our teeth. So then we have to involve the dental components into it. So You must have read about the golden proportion. Golden proportion is everywhere. When we talk about the architecture, when we talk about the human architecture, the golden proportion plays a very important role when we talk about the smile. So this is a ratio of how much a teeth should be visible whenever you are smiling. We have something known as the lip lines. We have something known as the smile symmetry. Then we have occlusal lines. Then we have lip curvatures, which is the most important thing. Whenever we smile, our smile should contour through the lip. Your teeth inside the edges should be going through the going through with the curvature of your lips. We call it the lip curvature lines. So we see as a dentist, as a cosmetologist, we see all those things whenever we are making a smile design. So why smiling matters in pageantry? Why? Because it's create emotional connections, it exudes confidence, it enhances the appearance of an individuality, and it boosts the stage presence. So why this is very important when we talk about the pageantry things. So they don't have teeth, but they look cute. They are not going on the pigeons, but you are. So without teeth, they are looking good. But when we talk about us, when in the pageantry industry, so we need to have a beautiful smile which enhances your beauty. Do you want like this? No. Why? Lot of issues over this picture. So today we're going to talk about what the exercises you can do to enhance your smile. What are the exercises you can do to relax yourself? And what are the things you need to follow to make your skin more shiny, your hair good looking, and your smile bright? So types of smile. There are various types of smile, like warm smile, like poised smile, like stage smile, and at the last, the victory smile. When we have the crown, we should always show our victory smile. So these are some points which you should note out, or you can click pictures during this presentation, because these are the things which nobody gonna elaborating to you. But these are the very important points which you need to follow. There are two things: smile and over smile. Smile is a natural smile. Over smile have different points. Natural smile have different points. Like when you naturally smile, when you are happy, when you naturally smile, what did it show? That it shows your authentic emotions. Over smile is forced and stiff. Like the natural smile enhances your beauty. Whenever you are feeling happy, you become beautiful. It is like, imagine you are wearing the pigeon crown now, and I should see your smile on your face. Nobody is smiling. Yeah, she is smiling. Anupama is smiling. Sonia is smiling because there is a constraint of pictures which I am seeing here. So when you are happy, your natural smile will automatically come from inside. And whenever you are smiling with your own self, with your inner happiness, your eyes become the part of it, which in the fake smiles, it's only the mouth. You try. Right now, you try to smile, okay? And now you feel that you're wearing a crown of the pigeon, and now you smile. Now see, all are smiling with the connection with their eyes. So see, the inner happiness, whenever it's come from inside, you will always have a natural smile. How to train the perfect pigeon smile? We're gonna discuss it in few minutes. The things are which you need to practice is the best friend of yours is mirror. Mirror, mirror. We always used to hear now, mirror, mirror on the wall. Who is the most beautiful among all? So it's you only. So practicing in front of the mirror is must, and learn to smile, the inner smile. Whenever you're doing the exercises over the mirror, just think about it that you're wearing the pigeon smile you are dreaming of. Your eyes will automatically connect with your smile. Your facial symmetry will be very much aligned because you are happy from inside. Use breathing and relaxation techniques to keep it natural, and always One thing which I always tell my delegates, my clients, record your smile. Put a what you call on which you put your phone, the phone holders or something like that. You put your phones over it and then you record your smile. Do those exercises, record it, and then you analyze what are the things you need to correct. Okay. So when we talk about pageant segments, we have different smiles for different things. Like for interview, we need to smile in a very different way. When we are into active wear, we need to carry a dress and we need to be very energetic to carry that dress. So we need to have an energetic smile which can carry your dresses also. Then we have evening gown, which is the queenly smile. It always required whenever you wear a evening gown. On stage questions is always reassuring smile. Like if you have any questions, you can ask me. There is no problem with it. But the most difficult part, which I see in pageant industry, is during the question answer round. If you don't know the answer, also your face becomes so dull and your smile goes vanish. No, don't go. Whatever you are thinking, whatever you are replying to the judge and judges, you should have always, whatever you are saying, you should reassure with your smile. See, everybody don't know anything, right? Nobody knows everything. Whatever you know, that is your knowledge, and you should give the answer, the best of it, and you should give an reassurance of the smile that, okay, what I'm saying is right. So, final tip for a winning smile. These are very, very important points. These are my gist of last 10 years. Just focus on it. Stay hydrated. Fresh lips and for skin, stay hydrated. Water is your best friend. Our body is made up of 75% of water. So the amount of water and the quality of water will be putting inside our body will be showing into our skin, into our smile, into our hairs, into our eyes, everywhere. Dental hygiene, definitely, you just cannot go and walk over a patient and you have yellow, dirty, tartar, calculus teeth. So proper oral hygiene should be maintained. Whitening of teeth, if it is advised, you should definitely go for it because it comes really good at pictures. Confidence is the key, number one thing. Ma'am, Usha ma'am, your smile is really great. So the confidence is the key of winning everything. See, if you have confidence of carrying yourself over the ramp, if you have confidence to answer, if you have confidence, whatever you are wearing, you can carry that. You are a winner. You're already a winner. Remember, the most beautiful smile is the most authentic one. When the happiness comes from in, that smile is the most beautiful smile. See, these are some various products which I'm not endorsing anything, but usually what people are into, they're into some mouthwashes which will stain their teeth or some toothpaste which are going to abrade your teeth enamel structures. These are few materials available into the market which you can buy for regular mouthwashes. And if you have gone through any teeth whitening procedure or a smile designing or some crowns, laminate veneers. These are some toothpaste which want to help you out to maintain the whiteness and the functionality of your prosthesis. And this mouthwash is really great. It's never going to stain any of your teeth. I've seen a lot of cases where patients have been using some therapeutic mouthwashes for a very long time and they sometime come to us with black stains, brown stains over their teeth. So that is because they have been using those mouthwashes for a very longer time. This is the clear mouthwash. It does not have any color. You can use it and you can see the changes inside your oral hygiene as well as on your smile. Okay. The most important, the facial muscle and smile control exercises, which I was talking about. We have few exercises you should follow every day in front of the mirror, record every day and analyze them. With the fifth day, you will see lots and lot of changes in your smile, in your facial expression, in the connection of your smile and your eyes, your forehead. all those dental and the facial component will work together within 5 days if you are working over all those things. So the number one thing what we follow is a smile control drill. What is smile control drill? Basically, the goal of this is to improve the conscious control of your smile muscles. See, we are having 34 muscles on our face. And I'll tell you one simple thing, if you're happy from inside, all those muscles activate at the same time. Your forehead muscles, your zygomatic muscles, your muscles of mastication, your lips muscles, your cheek muscles, every 34 muscles will be acting when you are happy from inside. So, how to do it? It's totally on you. If you are comfortable standing, it's totally fine. If you are comfortable sitting in front of the mirror, it's totally fine. The first thing, you should be comfortable. It is not a hard and fast rule that you have to sit or you have to stand. It is totally up to you. If you feel you are more confident and more comfortable standing, you should stand and smile over the mirror. So these are the things. Just click the pictures of these particular things because these smile exercises you need to do. Like how to do it, sit or stand in front of a mirror, slowly smile just using the corner of your lips, avoid using your eyes or the cheek. So this is the first exercise. We have 6 exercises which you need to do every day. It will hardly take 15 to 20 minutes per session. You should do twice a day, 2 sessions per day. And on the 6th day, the completion of your 5th day, you will see a lot of changes. And from the 6th day, you will see drastic smile changes, facial expression changes. So these are the things which you need to follow. Hold the half smile for 5 to 10 seconds, then gradually increase your smile until the full smile, and then slowly release it, reversing the movements. Repeat it 5 to 10 times in a single session. Then we have cheek lifter. The goal of this particular exercise is to strengthen the cheek and the upper lip muscle. These upper and the lower lips muscles, see, we are doctors, we talk about this muscles, bones, ligaments, and tendons. But whenever we talk about the smile and we talk about the lip, these are the orbicularis oris muscles, which are the most important muscle for smile. So this cheek lifter will definitely going to help the upper lip and it will strengthen up your cheeks. So how to do it? Smile as wide as you can. You can try with me. Audience, you can try with me. Just read it and try at least. I can see you all. Smile as wide as you can. Yes. Keeping the lip closed. Try to lift your cheeks toward your eyes without squinting. Step by step you follow. We have a lot of time. We'll at least do one exercise at least one time today. Then place your finger lightly on the top of your cheeks to feel the lift. मुझे So place your finger lightly on the top of your cheek to feel the lift. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then relax. And repeat this particular thing at least for 10 times. In a single session, at least do it 10 times. You will have a lot of fun over it. So should we go ahead for the next exercise? We have the lip pull exercise. The goal of this particular lip pull exercise is to tone the muscles around the mouth and under the eyes. See, when we talk about the smile and the happiness from inside, our smile should be a part of your eyes. Eyes should be a part of your smile. So keep your head in a neutral position. Neutral position means that you should not have any restraint over your head. It cannot be done while lying down or nothing. You need to be neutral. Your spine should be straight. And lift your lower lip as high as possible by pushing out your lower jaw outside. See, whenever you put your lower jaw outside like this, when you protrude our mandible like this, see? So lift your lower lip as high as possible and hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax and repeat at least for 10 times. this lip pull exercise will also going to help you to chisel out your cheekbones as well as your jawbone. Can you feel any tension over your jawbone? What we call the jaw line. Then the best of the best, the O face. Have you heard about the O face exercises? No. Sir, the goal of this particular O face exercise is to improve the muscle tone around the mouth and the cheeks. And how to do it? You make an O shape with your mouth, like make it a O, right? And smile as wide as you can hold the O. So what will happen now whenever you are putting these strain on the orbicularis muscles, because when you're making an O, both the upper and the lower lips acting together, and then you start smiling. Make the smile a bit wide. It will always going to help your cheek muscles as well as the muscles around your smile, like mentalis and everything. So you should feel resistance in your cheeks and your lower lips. Hold for 5 seconds, relax and repeat 10 times. Enjoying the session? Can I get a thumb? Thank you. So the next exercise is the resistance smile exercise. It is a very, very important exercise. So basically the goal of this particular exercise is to strengthen up your smile as well as the symmetry of your smile. See, whenever I smile, so my smile goes to the right side. Some people like it. But when we talk about the pageants, the most beautiful people in this world, we need everything in symmetries also. So the resistance smile exercise will help you out to maintain the symmetry of your smile. So how to do it? Smile broadly while pressing your fingertips gently into the corner of your lips. Try to smile against the resistance of your finger create. Now, what you have to do, you have to restrain the smile to go up and then you have to smile. These are the exercises we should definitely do when we want to enhance our smile. The same thing, hold for 10 seconds, relax, repeat 5 to 10 times, at least twice a day. One exercise which gonna help you out specifically to enhance your smile as well as your jawline is the tongue press. What you do in tongue press, basically, you touch the palate or the inner side of your upper jaw. We call it palate. Uh, in Hindi, we call it talu. So you press your tongue over that palate and try. You do it for 5 to 10 seconds now, and you see a bit of difference right now. This is the most important exercise. Some people do it for enhancing their jawbone, jawlines. We call it mewing. Mewing, you must have heard of mewing. No, mewing. You heard about mewing? No. So basically, tongue press exercises are used to enhance the smile as well as your jawline. It's a very wonderful exercise. Try and do it. Usha ma'am, how do you feel some changes whenever you're putting the tongue press? Yes. Anupama, have you tried? No, no differences. Okay. Sonia, still doing? Now see the smile of Sonia. Okay. So this is about the exercises for your smile, but the most important thing is the flawless skin over your face. So nowadays, a lot of people are coming to me with the knowledge of glutathione. What basically, definitely glutathione help you out, but whether to go for an IV drip or whether to go for the oral intakes, it is a very big thing we need to understand, because anything inside the body which is not required, because this glutathione is already manufacturing in your body. Our body is a very big chemical factory where a lot of other chemicals are also getting synthesized by our own body. So glutathione, whether it is advised to go for an IV or whether you should go for an oral intake. So we need to understand this. But definitely glutathione will help you out with lots and lot of brightening of your skin. It will help you out lowering down the any spots over your skin and all. So it's a very wonderful medicine available into the market. So why it is more popular in patients? So basically, the basic reasons why it is usually we use into our practices is to brightening the skin, and it's a very good antioxidant detoxification of your liver, because if your body from inside is healthy, you overall will be very healthy, your skin will be healthy, your eyes will be healthy, your hairs will be healthy. So detoxification also occur because when we are taking glutathiones. And then about the general health and the immunity. So how much amount it is required for an individual to take the glutathione? That's totally depend on two basic things. Number one is the body weight of the client, and the second thing is, the most important is, how much dark spot or how much brightening you want. So the benefits of glutathione is skin brightening, antioxidant effects, detoxification, immune support, and the relevance in patients is it enhances the visual appeal on stage. Definitely, when your skin is brightening, you are radiating, it enhances the visual appeal on the stage. When we talk about the antioxidant effects, it promotes the health, youthful skin. When we talk about the detoxification, we have support overall wellness and appearances. When we talk about the immune support, definitely glutathione produces lots and lot of good effect in your body. आप चलो मैं. So immune support is basically it's help handle physical and the emotional stress of people who are preparing for the pageants. So emotional stress is also a bit. I'm not saying ki you take glutathione, all your stress is gone. That is not a point. But definitely, when you are taking glutathiones, your muscle fatigue, your body fatigue, your immunity increases. So somehow it will reduces the stress also. Here's in pageant industry, we have talked about the smile, we have talked about the skin. Now, the most important thing we need to talk about the hairs. In Delhi, especially in Delhi and metropolitan cities, people are losing their hairs, or the quality of hairs are getting degraded. But when we talk about the pageants, they need to be the best to win the crown. So hairs are also same important as your smile and your skin. So hair type can influence the judges and audience definitely. If you have a beautiful hair, you're already a beautiful queen. Then we have different hair types also, like we have straight hairs, we have curly hairs, we have wavy hairs. So we have different kind of hairs where we need to take care of the hairs according to the type of hairs we have, the strand diameter. And then we talk about the color of the hair, then we talk about the quality of the hair, for how fast you get the split ends. We need to understand all those things to take care of our hairs. See, hairs have the judging criteria also. We have various criteria to judge a pageant to win the crown. We have judging criteria for our hairs also. Styling versatility. So what we talk about is the different hair types offer different style opportunity. Straight and wavy hair is often seen as easier to manipulate into classic pageant styles. Like coily and curly hairs require more effort to meet the traditional expectations, but can make a striking and memorable impression when styled creatively and authentically. So we'll just wind up this lecture now, but the keywords, what I want you to take from here, click the picture of this. I'll show you healthy smile, healthy skin, and healthy hairs. These are the key away for today's lecture. Like a radiant smile is a pageant essential. The key tips are brush twice a day with fluoridated toothpaste, floss daily. If you're not comfortable with flosses, don't use flosses, go for water flosses. Water flosses are nowadays which are easily available into the e-marts and all. So water flosses are better than the flosses because flosses are basically the threads which we put inside the teeth, and sometimes the old fillings or sometimes it traumatize the gums also. So water flosser plays a very important role. They are cheap, they are not hell expensive, but yeah, definitely the result what they give will be definitely fantastic. And the most important thing, what my teacher used to tell me when I was doing my graduation, that your white teeth are like the white clothes we are wearing. Do you remember whenever you wear the white clothes, how much care you take care of your clothes? यहाँ हाथ नहीं लगाना, यहाँ नहीं बैठना है, white clothes गंदे हो जाएंगे. We do all these things, right? But we never think about our teeth. Teeth are just like the white clothes what we are wearing. You need to take care of them. So don't eat or drink anything which is having lot of coloring materials. Avoid acidic beverages. Okay. Stay hydrated. The most important thing. Why staying hydrated means a lot for the human body. See, if I talk about the healthy smile thing, when you are properly hydrated, your saliva will be better. And when your saliva will be better, saliva has 8 different functions inside the oral cavity, and one of them is to cleansing of your teeth. So the saliva cleans your teeth also. So if your body is hydrated, your saliva would be better, and that can clean your teeth nicely. Use whitening products if it is required, like if we have in-house strips, we have toothpaste, what I've mentioned also, and we have some professional treatments also. If it is required, definitely go for it. See, if you are wearing a crown, just imagine wearing a crown, happiness from inside, and your teeth are visible and the teeth are not white, or they are stained, or they are having calculus dirt over it. I really don't want to imagine also. So if it is a professional treatment required, definitely consult a good professional who can literally, and who, I'm telling you, who can literally justify your things or your needs. Just don't waste your money for anything. Just don't go anywhere. People who are having an experience to enhance your smile, go for that. Regular dental checkups every 6 months are required, which are non-negotiable. In India, we usually don't go to the doctors until unless we have pain or something, but we are talking about the pageants. Pageants need to be extraordinary. So you should take care of the teeth first when we talk about your smile. See, without teeth, there'll not be any smile. Can you imagine a person smiling on a stage with a crown on their head and no teeth? Will you ever going to give your crown to that person? Never. So teeth are very important for functionality as well. See, teeth have 3 different functions, I'll tell you. The number one is the aesthetics, visibility. Number second is what? Phonetics. Phonetics means whenever we use our words. So teeth are very important. I have seen few patients also who not able to speak few specific words like church or Mississippi. They'll not be able to because they have some discrepancies in their teeth. So teeth helps in phonetics also. And the most important is the mastication or the functionality of your teeth to chew the food. If you chew the food properly, your body will have more amount of nutrients from that food. I'll tell you a very important thing about the mastication or the chewing of the food. 50% your food will get emulsified inside your oral cavity. When you chew the food properly and the food get mixed with the saliva, 50% of your food will get emulsified. That means digested. And from the esophagus till the anal pore, 50 other person will be in function. So see how the oral cavity is important. And if your oral cavity is not clean, if your oral cavity have lot of issues, the food, the best quality foods you are having, have avocados, everything, but those tiny amount of bacteria or the diseases will be getting mixed with your food and it will be going and absorbed by your body. So that is why it is most important to take care of your oral hygiene. Why we always focus whenever we talk about healthy smile. See, when you talk about the whole human body, the most important thing is you're putting the nutrients inside your body and those nutrients will be enhancing your beauty. Right or wrong? Right? Sonia, am I right? Right. So if your oral cavity is not clean, having lots and lot of dirt inside, bacteria is inside, and other things are inside, which is not beneficial for your body, what will happen? You take the ample amount of water, you take the best quality of food, but those bacteria will get entrapped in the food and they will be absorbed by the body because it is going through the original pathway. This is the natural pathway from where we take the food in. So if anything related to your food is wrong, your body will definitely going to suffer. You'll have lots and lot of issue with your skin, hairs, you'll be having bad breath, you'll be having crooked teeth and lot of other things. So these are the key way for today for a healthy smile. Regular dental checkup, use a lip scrub or a balm to keep the lips smooth and soft. That is a must thing. And smile practice in front of mirror. How many times? 2 times. At least for 5 days. From the 6th day, you will automatically doing it by your own because you'll see the changes. The second key away is glowing and shiny skin. Flawless skin helps you makeup sit better and boost confidence on stage. The key tips are hydration. Hydration, at least 2 to 3 liters of good water daily. The follow-up for skin routine are cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, then SPF. I usually recommend SPF 50 for Delhi. Places where the sun is not there, you can go for 30 also. And the last, exfoliation. Eat skin-friendly foods. Don't go for very high amount of spicy food. Don't go for high amount of sugary foods. Avoid it. Don't take high sugar content. Don't take spices much. It will always going to help your skin to repair. Sleep at least 7 to 9 hours. Sonia is laughing. 7 to 9 hours in a normal day. How we can manage? This sleeping is must because sleeping is essential for your cell regeneration, for your cell recovery, for your body recovery. So sometimes you need to take out for a pleasant sleep. Avoid harsh or new skincare, which we usually don't do. And you can use sheet mask for hydration or the hydration mask before the event and all. So these are the things which we need to follow, and these are the key ways from my side for a glowing, shiny skin. What about the healthy skin? These are the key way for your shiny, healthy, long hairs. So here is your crown. Literally, healthy, shiny hairs complete your polished look. And the key tips for today is regular trim 6 to 8 weeks to prevent split ends. The major problem what I see with long hairs are they are having split ends. So avoid split ends because they will always going to destroy the quality of your hair. Deep conditioning is always required. Uh, Nobody talks about the heat styling. Limit heat styling. If you heat your hairs much, what are they? Basically, they're made up of proteins only. And whenever you heat the proteins, they denature, they disintegrate. So your hair quality will go down. So these are the things we need to take care of. Scalp care is there. Silk pillowcase is very good. It reduces the breakage and the frills. So if you want to try, you can try this and you can see that gradually it will reduce your breakages and frills. The diet tip is include biotin, vitamin E, zinc, and omega-3s for your hair growth and shine. And protein-rich food, like if you are a vegetarian, then you have to go for a vegetarian diet. If you are a non-vegetarian, then you can go for a non-vegetarian diet. So protein is always required. And there are various multivitamins available into the market, which are good for your hairs. But always remember that without consulting your practitioner or the doctor, don't take medications by your own because sometimes what actually happen, we are taking some multivitamins very frequently, which is not required by our body. And if anything goes up inside your body, something will go down. See, our body is 100%. If you increase the salt inside it, something will go down. So always take a prescription from a registered practitioner so that they can help you out. So this is about me, and you can, if you want to follow us, you can follow us. And if you have any queries, you can just ping us with a message. We'll definitely going to help you out. And I hope this lecture has given you something new. And I'm really felt very happy and privileged to mentor you about the smile. about your skin, about your hairs. So if you have any questions, any problems, anything you want to consult with us, we are always happy to help you out. So you can contact us over the WhatsApp, or you can contact us over the Instagram handle also. So if you have any questions right now, we can talk over it and we can conclude our session for today. I hope you have learned something today, and I wish you that you will do the exercises for your smile to enhance your smile. And I would like to see all of you winning the crown. I hope this lecture was something beneficial to you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gaurav. The session was really very informative and very wholesome. So I have also made quite a notes for my future reference. So thank you so much.
Okay.
So is there anybody who wants to ask any query, any questions that you guys have in your mind? You can just write down in the chat box.
If you are not having any questions right now, you can ping us also so that we can help you out. Oil pulling for this,
Yes.
good. It's good. It's really good. But see, oil pulling, I usually don't recommend to my patients, because what basically oil pulling do, it activate the muscles. Whenever you're doing the oil pulling, it activates the muscles. Definitely, it is good for your lymphatic drainages. But if it is not required, for example, if somebody has a heavy masseter muscle, and by doing the oil pulling, if the masseter muscle enhance, then they will be having a very big jawline. So we need to first see what is required. Instead of oil pulling, go for good mouthwashes. Do mouthwash for at least 2 to 3 minutes. It will also going to help you out. But oil pulling take lot of time to properly break down the oil particles. So these are the things. ठीक है, if it's so, see, if your muscles are not very broad, you can use it. But I usually don't ask my patient, because there are other things to do. But if you are okay with it, then you can do, no problem. Lip scrub. What time you want? The best time you can give it to yourself. In today's time, there is no specific time on morning or night. If you have a night shift, then I cannot say, ki, okay, you have to scrub your lip before going to your office. It's all about how comfortable you are to taking care of your own self. Thank you very much, Dr. Shaila Siddhi Joshi. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. So, Bhavya, so can we end this for today? And
Yeah.
if you have any
Yeah.
queries, just let me know. You have my WhatsApp number as well as my Instagram handle. If you have any queries, just let me know and I'll be happy to help you.
Right. And guys, please tag our Instagram ID for TK Pageant and Dr. Gaurav also on social media. And if you really like this session, post about the feedback and what are the takeaways that you have taken from this session. So we'll be more than
I
happy to know
have,
it.
Bhavya, concluded my 10 years into the key ways
Uh-huh.
for healthy smile, for healthy skin, and for healthy hairs. So I hope that my key ways will be better for you and good for you. And I hope and I wish you all to win a bright, big crown. And I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Thank you so much for joining in.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Have a great evening, dear. Bye.